Everyone preaches, save money. It sounds responsible. Your parents said it, your teacher said it, every finance guru on TikTok says it. Saving alone won't make you rich. Saving money feels safe, but it's a false kind of safety. Think about it. Your money just sits there, losing quiet battles every day. Inflation creeps in, prices go up, and the value of that saved cash slowly fades. When you save without a plan, what you're really doing is waiting, not growing. Sure, your cash is safe, but it's not working. Rich people treat money like employees. They expect their money to show up, do a job, and bring back more money. They use savings as a seed, not a souvenir. Most people don't actually save to invest later. They save to spend. New phone? I earned it. Weekend trip? I deserve it. That's not saving. That's just delayed spending. So you feel mature because you saved, but once you finally spend it, you're right back at zero. There's no real difference between that and not saving at all. So if saving alone won't make you rich, what will? Let's break down the smarter way. 1. Save for emergencies. This part matters. Emergencies are what keep people stuck in financial chaos. The car breaks down, your laptop dies, or you lose your job for a month, and suddenly you're borrowing money you don't have. Having an emergency fund, even if it's just 1 month of expenses, buys you peace of mind. 2. Invest for growth. Once you've built a small safety net, that's when you move from saving to building. This is the part most people skip because it sounds complicated, but it's really about one thing: letting your money earn for you. That could be stocks, index funds, digital products, small side businesses, whatever matches your risk level and patience. You don't need a finance degree. You just need to start with something simple and consistent, because money grows when you give it time, not when you give it attention. Here's an example. Someone who invests $100 every month in an index fund that grows 8% a year ends up with about $18,000 after 10 years. Someone who just saves $100 a month ends up with $12,000. And that's before inflation eats part of it. That's the difference between letting money sleep and letting it work. 3. Spend to increase your value. This one's underrated. Spending isn't bad. Stupid spending is. There's a big difference between buying a new outfit for validation and buying a course that helps you earn more next year. Rich people don't avoid spending. They just make sure the things they buy either save them time, make them smarter, or help them make more money. Saving money isn't useless. It's just not the finish line. You don't get rich by saving. You get rich by putting your money to work. Your savings protect you, but your investments free you.